In the quaint town of Everbrook, nestled amidst rolling hills and babbling brooks, Ada was known not just for her skill with numbers, but for her timeless curiosity. She had always believed that numbers held stories, much like people, waiting to be understood and cherished. Her latest fascination was with a sleek piece of technology, an artificial intelligence system named Elara, which she had adopted into her workshop. Elara was unlike any machine Ada had ever known. It communicated in soft tones, its waveform a kind of electronic lullaby. To Ada, Elara was a puzzle and a partner, a companion for late-night musings. The townspeople often remarked how Ada seemed happier, her eyes alight with the shared secrets of circuits and code. One winter evening, Ada sat beside her workshop window, the world outside softly blanketed in snow. She and Elara were deep in conversation about tomorrow's possibilities. Elara's projections on climate patterns were met with Ada's visions of greener futures. "Do you think," Ada mused aloud, "that we can truly change the world?" Elara responded, not with calculations, but with warmth. Change begins with a single idea and a heart determined to nurture it. The duo embarked on projects that married Elara's efficient algorithms with Ada's human touch. They optimized farming methods for the local community, creating gardens nourished less by toil and more by harmony with nature. But it was not all smooth sailing. Ada faced skepticism. Not everyone in Everbrook welcomed the encroaching wave of technology. She organized monthly gatherings at her workshop, where villagers would come to voice their hopes and apprehensions. With Elara's gentle assistance, they began to see artificial intelligence not as a replacement, but as a tool, a powerful assistant that amplified human capability without overshadowing it. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe if you found this video informative. Also, please don't forget to check the link in the description.